Good morning, everybody. Did you know how the sun, moon, and earth's moving? Let me explain all about it. Before that, do you know sun, moon, and earth is? Number 1. Sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers, or 109 times that of Earth. Number 2. Moon. The moon is an astronomical body that orbits the planet Earth, and Earth's only permanent natural satellite. It is the 5th largest natural satellite in the solar system, and the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. Number 3. Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to the radiometric dating and other sources of evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Earth revolves around the Sun in 364.26 days, a period known as an Earth year. After we know about Sun, Moon, and Earth, let me explain about movement of them. Number 4. Movement of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. The solar system consists of 8 planets and 5 dwarf planets rotating around a nearby star, the Sun. The Sun's massive amount of gravity keeps the solar system together. Tracking the movement of the Earth and Moon can be part of stargazing hobby, or part of scientific research into the way the solar system works. Okay, next, let's move to Earth's orbit, rotation, and revolution. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, orbiting it at a distance of about 149 million kilometers. The Earth is constantly spinning like a top around its axis, and it takes 1 day for it to complete a spin. This spinning is what causes the Earth's day and night cycle. The Earth is traveled around the Sun in an oval-shaped orbit, or we can call it ellipse. It takes 1 year to complete a full revolution. Since the orbit is not perfect circle, the Earth is at times slightly closer top or farther from the Sun. The Earth's orbit, combined with the tilt of the Earth's axis, causes the season. Revolution is the movement of one object around another object. Earth revolves around the Sun in elliptical orbit, just as the Moon revolves around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. We revolve around the Sun in a counterclockwise direction. The rate of revolution is about 1 degree per day. How do we know we are revolving? Evidence number 1. Changing season. Because our axis is tilted, as we revolve around the Sun, the angle of insolation changes throughout the 3 years. Evidence 2. Changing constellation. Every day, the part of the Earth facing the Sun experiences daylight, and the half of the Earth not facing the Sun experiences night. The nighttime part of Earth faces out into space so we see stars. Constellations are groups or clusters of stars that together form an image in the night sky. Constellations are named after Greek myth. The constellations that we see at night depend on the part of space we are facing. As we revolve around the sun, the nighttime part of Earth is facing different parts of space. So we see different constellations at different times of year. This is why your zodiac sign is dependent upon your birthday. The zodiac symbols are all constellations, and your sign is based on the constellation present during the month of your birth. And now, let's move to the moon revolution and rotation. The moon has a nearly circular orbit, which is tilted about 5 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit. Its average distance from the Earth is 384,400 kilometers. If you watch the moon over the course of several hours one night, you will notice that its position among the stars will change by a few degrees. The changing position of the moon with respect to the sun leads to lunar phases. And now, let's move to solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is a spectacular sight and a rare astronomical event. Each one is only visible from a limited area. An eclipse of the sun happens when the new moon moves between the sun and Earth, blocking out the sun rays and casting a shadow part of Earth. An eclipse of the moon can only occur at full moon, and only if the moon passes through some portion of Earth's shadow. That shadow is actually composed of two cone-shaped components, one nested inside the others. The order of penumbra shadow is a zone where the Earth blocks parts but not all the sun's rays from reaching the moon. In contrast, the inner or umbra shadow is a region where the Earth blocks all direct sunlight from reaching the moon. That's all my speech today. Thank you for your attention and see you!